Handy coder. Take an ink roller and a shaft to hold the roller. Properly align the shaft into the ink roller. Mount the foam ink roller into the designated roller slot of the handy coder machine. Secure the roller using the side springs. Manually insert and stick the characters onto the roller of the labeling machine to prepare it for printing. Allows easy insertion and replacement of characters for customizable printing. Pour ink onto the foam ink roller. The foam material of the roller evenly absorbs the ink from the reservoir. By manually rotating the roller, the inked foam roller prints the characters onto the cardboard surface. Mainly used with water-based ink and porous surfaces. Batch printing is completed.